Module 1, Fundamentals of Water Engineering. Lecture 1, Introduction to Water and Environmental Engineering. Welcome to this course on Water and Environmental Engineering. This branch of engineering deals with the provision of clean water, the safe disposal of wastewater, and the protection of our environment from pollution. Water is the basis of life. Without reliable access to safe water, human health, agriculture, and industry all suffer. Environmental engineering ensures that human activities do not degrade the air, water, and soil we depend on. In this module, we will focus on the water side of the discipline, covering water resources, supply systems, and treatment methods. Lecture 2, Water Resources and Hydrology. Water resources engineering begins with understanding the natural hydrological cycle. This cycle describes how water evaporates from oceans, forms clouds, falls as precipitation, infiltrates the soil, flows through rivers, and eventually returns to the sea. Engineers study rainfall patterns, river flows, groundwater movement, and storage in lakes and reservoirs. Hydrology provides the foundation for designing water supply systems, irrigation schemes, and flood control measures. Lecture 3, Water Supply Systems. A water supply system ensures that communities receive adequate, safe, and reliable water. The main components are sources, such as rivers, lakes, reservoirs, or underground aquifers. Abstraction, structures like intakes, pumps, and wells used to withdraw water. Conveyance, pipelines or aqueducts that carry raw water to treatment plants. Treatment, processes that make water safe to drink. Distribution, storage tanks, pumping stations, and pipe networks that deliver water to homes and businesses. The goal is not only to provide sufficient water but also to ensure it meets health and safety standards. Lecture 4, Water Quality Standards. The World Health Organization and national governments set guidelines for water quality. These standards focus on physical parameters, color, taste, odor, and turbidity. Chemical parameters, pH, dissolved oxygen, hardness, nitrates, heavy metals. Biological parameters, bacteria, viruses, protozoa. Water quality monitoring is essential because poor water quality can lead to widespread diseases like cholera, dysentery, and typhoid fever. Lecture 5, Water Treatment Principles. Water treatment removes contaminants to produce water that is safe for human consumption. The major steps include screening, removing large debris like sticks and leaves. Coagulation and flocculation, adding chemicals that cause fine particles to clump together. Sedimentation, allowing clumps of particles to settle. Filtration, passing water through sand, gravel, or membranes to remove smaller particles. Disinfection, killing pathogens using chlorine, ozone, or ultraviolet light. The combination of these processes depends on the quality of the raw water source. Lecture 6, Distribution of Water. After treatment, water must be stored and distributed to consumers. Storage tanks provide a buffer between supply and demand, while pumping stations maintain adequate pressure. The distribution network must be designed to minimize leaks, avoid contamination, and deliver sufficient water even during peak demand. Modern systems use sensors and computer modeling to improve efficiency and detect faults. Lecture 7, Rural and Urban Water Supply Challenges. Supplying water to rural communities is very different from urban areas. Rural systems often rely on wells, hand pumps, or small-scale treatment plants, while cities require complex networks and large treatment facilities. Challenges include population growth increasing demand, pollution from industrial and agricultural activities, climate change leading to droughts and floods, financial and technical constraints in developing regions. Engineers must balance sustainability, affordability, and resilience. Lecture 8, Wastewater and its Importance. Just as important as supplying water is the safe collection and treatment of wastewater. Wastewater includes sewage from households, effluent from industries, and stormwater runoff. If not properly treated, wastewater can pollute rivers, lakes, and groundwater, threatening ecosystems and human health. Therefore, wastewater engineering is a key part of environmental protection. Lecture 9: Wastewater Collection Systems. Wastewater is collected using sewer systems. There are two main types. Combined sewers, which carry both sewage and stormwater in the same pipes. Separate sewers, which carry sewage and stormwater in different systems. Gravity is usually used to move wastewater, though pumps may be necessary in flat or low-lying areas. Proper design prevents blockages, reduces leakage, and minimizes overflow during storms. Lecture 10: Wastewater Treatment. Treatment of wastewater typically involves 3 stages. Primary treatment, removing large solids through screening and sedimentation. Secondary treatment, using biological processes, such as activated sludge or trickling filters, to break down organic matter. Tertiary treatment, advanced processes that remove nutrients, heavy metals, or pathogens. The treated water, known as effluent, is then discharged into rivers or reused for irrigation and industrial purposes. Module 1 Summary. In this first module, we explored the fundamentals of water engineering. We examined water resources, supply systems, quality standards, treatment processes, and distribution. We also introduced wastewater management, from collection to treatment. These principles ensure that communities have access to safe water and that the environment is protected from harmful discharges.